So today's topic is what to do in those long afternoons of isolation that we're observing re the coronavirus. So I came up with a project that utilizes some old wiring in the house. This house is only 5 years old, by the way, but nobody uses a telephone system anymore. We use smartphones, and yet the house is wired for that. We have an alarm system, DSC series, 5500, I believe. And the use case is when we're up in bed and we're finished with the crossword puzzles and that sort of thing, I turn to my spouse and say, "Hey, did you arm the alarm?" And she turns to me and she says, "Hey, did you arm the alarm?" And then one of us has to go all the way downstairs and check the panel and arm it or not arm it. So why not have a remote indicator, like an LED, that would tell us if the alarm was armed or not? So that's what I did. And the cool thing about this is I didn't have to use any parts outside of the DSC system itself. It actually has the circuitry and the programmability to support having remote LED to tell you whether or not the alarm is armed. And that was a bit of a surprise, and it's a good surprise. But fact is, I use the old wiring for the telephone system. And upstairs now, when the alarm is armed, there's an LED that glows. When it's not armed, it doesn't glow, so we quickly know at a glance if we're safe or not. So, look, do your best to get through these long afternoons and the isolation. I'm going to shut up now and show you some pictures on how I did it, and play some music, which is a song composed also around the coronavirus that I just finished last week. So enjoy, and it's a good project and not that difficult. A little bit of soldering and that sort of thing. Careful of your warranty though, but again, the DSC device is designed to do this. Thank you. Hope you like the song.
Isn't it odd you say? Friends I had yesterday shut down their brains, put critical thought away. Why should I care? Why do I care? To say, go and play today. There's no friends to play with today. Why should I care? Why do I care?